so I'm going to go ahead and introduce to you what you need to do in week 7. For week 7, you're going to be studying the present progressive. This is taking place February 20th through the 26th. There's a decorative picture with text. I have since decided that I am going to remove this, so by the time the video is up here, this will be removed along with the image description. I just think it's getting too busy on the site, so the video will be the first thing. This video will be the first thing you see. But for this week, you need to study pages 174 through 176, 186 to 189, 190, and 198 to 201. After completing this week's assignments, you should be able to use the present progressive to discuss that which is happening at the moment and to discuss food and eating preferences. You should also be able to order meals and to discuss cooking recipes. All of this week's work is due by the end of the day, the 23rd, and addresses SLOs or Student Learning Outcomes 1 and 2. So again, the first thing you need to do, like for every week, is to open up your instructor videos. There will be videos on Chapter 6 and the present progressive. You want to watch both those videos, and then once you've watched them, go back out. And then you will need to post in the participation forum any questions. Go ahead and click on the class participation forum, hit reply, and post any questions or concerns you had about the material covered in the video, or any other questions or concerns you have about the class thus far. Then the only other thing you have to do is assignment 9. You'll need to go to My Language Labs, and you'll need to complete these SAM activities on the calendar. Okay, so if you go into My Language Labs, this is what your calendar looks like. You'll click on the 23rd, and it should pop up in the middle out here. Again, you will see some tutorials and extra practice. These are things that are not assigned to you. You do not have to complete them. You just need to make sure you do all of the SAMs. There's the SAMs from Chapter 5. Then you'll see some more tutorials that you can look at if you need to, but you do not have to. And then there's the SAMs for Chapter 6. So you just need to make sure you complete all of those activities. You open up each one, complete the activity, hit finish and submit for grading, and it comes to me, and that way I can go in and give you credit for it.